Hello guys, in this video I will talk about introduction to the Go language. So what is Golang? It's a general purpose programming language created by the Google. Actually it's open source and free, and Go language is compiled language like C++. So the release year of the Go language is 2012, but Go was publicly announced in November 2009, but the version 1 was released in March 2012. The current version of the Golang is 1.12. So who created Golang? Actually, Golang or the Go language is created in Google by the three main person: Robert Griesmer, Rob Pike, and Ken Thompson. These three person actually built the Golang. If you want to know any topic very deeply, you can study the textbook, which is Go Programming Cookbook. Over 85 recipes to build modular, readable, and testable Golang application across the various domains. Second edition, Aaron Torres, it's a recommended book. You can learn many things actually deeply from this book. Actually, in the video tutorial, many things or the many paragraphs can be skipped because of some limitation. That's why you can actually use textbook. So when you are working in the Golang, you need some tools, which are the text editor, and I'm not recommending any text editor, but you can use Sublime Text, VS Code, and you can also use Notepad++. Actually, what type of text editor you feel the comfort, then you should pick your favorite one. I will use the Sublime Text or the VS Code. Actually, those two are recommended if you are actually interested. Either you can pick by yourself. And the second one is a CLI, which means Command Line Interface. I think you guys are actually familiar with the CLI. In the Windows, we already have a by default CMD. We can actually, when we run our program, we need a CLI. And the second option is Git Bash. I will use Git Bash, so you need to install the Git Bash from your computer. So the official website of the Go language is golang.org. Actually, we can download the Golang software from here, and all the documentation and the other information are available in this website. So thank you.